Hi everyone, this is Gksr here from EC Department of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Uh, Today I am going to discuss about uh, two real-time system development methodologies. Um, Real-time systems are those in which the correctness of the system depends not only on the logical result of computations but also on the time at which the results are produced. These systems are commonly found in areas such as embedded systems, control systems, telecommunications, and more. Here are two real-time system development methodologies. Waterfall model for real-time systems. The waterfall model is a traditional and linear approach to software development consisting of distinct phases that are executed sequentially. In the context of a real-time system, the phases of the waterfall model can be adapted to incorporative real-time considerations. The type phases include requirements, design, implementation, verification, and maintenance. In the requirements phase, it's crucial to capture real-time constraints and deadlines. The design phase focuses on both functional and temporal aspects, ensuring that the system meets its timing requirements. The implementation phase involves coding with real-time consideration in mind, such as minimizing response times. The verification phase includes testing the system's real-time performance. One advantage of waterfall model is structured and easily understandable nature. However, it may not be flexible as more iterative approaches and changes are challenging to incorporate once a phase is completed. Phases of waterfall model. Requirements gathering and analysis, system design, implementation and coding, testing and validation, deployment and maintenance are the phases of waterfall model. Each phase of waterfall model is completely before moving on the next one with no overlap between phases. This means that each phase must be completed and signed off on both before the next phase can begin. While this approach can be rigid and inflexible, it is often used in real-time system development because it provides a clear structure and helps ensure that each phase is completed thoroughly before moving on to the next one. Benefits and challenges of waterfall model. Benefits of waterfall model is a linear and sequential approach that is easy to understand and use. It allows for a clear definition of requirements and deliverables, reducing ambiguity and increasing clarity. It provides a well-structured approach to development with each stage built on the previous one. It is suitable for projects with stable and well-defined requirements where changes are unlikely to occur. Challenges are it can be difficult to make changes once a stage is completed, making it less flexible than other models. It can be challenging to estimate the time and resources required for each stage, leading to delay and cost overruns. It may not be suitable for projects with challenging or dynamic requirement as it does not allow flexibility and adaptation. It can lead to lack of collaboration and communication between teams as each stage is completed before making moving on to the next one. Moving to the next slide, V model for real-time systems. The V model is an extension of waterfall model and is characterized by its emphasis on testing at each stage of development. In the V model for real-time systems, each development stage has a corresponding testing phase, forming a V-shaped structure. For example, the requirements phase is paired with the system testing phase, the design phase with integration testing, and so on. Real-time considerations are integrated into each phase, and testing is particularly critical for validating time requirements. Unit test, integration test, and system test should include scenarios that verify the system's response time and adherence to deadline. The V model is beneficial for real-time system because it highlights the importance of testing early and continuously. However, like the waterfall model, it can be less accommodating to challenges once the project is underway. The benefits of V model is a structured approach, early testing, traceability, clear milestones. These are some of the benefits of V model. Moving to the next slide, the challenges of the V model are rigidity, late feedback, assumption of stable requirements, limited user involvement. These are the some of the challenges of V model, as V model can be perceived as rigid as it follows a sequential approach. The V model emphasizes testing at various stages. The feedback loop can be relatively late compared to more iterative models. The V model assumes that requirements are stable throughout the development process. The V model may not involve users as much during the development process, especially in comparison to agile methodologies. These are some of the challenges with the V model. Uh, Moving to the next slide, both the waterfall model and V model can be adapted to suit real-time system by emphasizing the inclusion of timing and scheduling considerations at each stage of development. However, in practice, many real-time systems often adopt more flexible and iterative methodologies such as the Rational Unified Process (RUP) or Agile methodologies to better accommodate the dynamic nature of real-time requirements and foster adaptability throughout the development process. Thank you everyone for watching completely.